up, Chubby Gang? This your girl, Fat Girl Chubbs, with my first cooking video. So what I have here, I'm gonna be making chicken sandwiches. So I got 4 large chicken breasts, as you can see, big old juicy chicken breasts. I'm going to be using some complete Goya seasoning, some Creole seasoning, the Adobo seasoning, all-purpose flour, garlic powder, not the salt, the powder, and some regular salt, just a little bit, and some black pepper. I also have 3 eggs to coat my chicken, and so let's get started. Alright, so this next up, we're gonna cut the chicken breasts so we can cut them in half. Like I said, I have 4 chicken breasts, so I'm gonna have 8 chicken fillets. Alright, let's get into it. And this is my house, so I don't have any gloves, so don't come in my comments with the BS. Alright, let's get this done. Alright, now that I got my fillets all cut up, I'm gonna go ahead and just clean them up really quick. I cleaned it before I start cutting it, but you know, it'd never be too safe. Alright, so now it's time to season the fillets. Disclaimer, if you got high blood pressure or any kind of medical conditions, whatever, then I don't have measurements or anything for you guys. I just want to show you to make sure that you season it well. Don't use a lot of salt because I have a lot of sodium in the other seasonings, but it will be well seasoning, that's for sure. So now I'm gonna beat the egg so I can create an egg wash. And I tell you, that egg wash gonna have that chicken so crispy. Trust the process, y'all. Alright, and I'm gonna dump that. So as you can see, I changed the bowl because, you know, I wanted to have an actual egg pool. The chickens to swim in, you know. Gotta take care of your meat, and your meat will take care of you. I just made it up. Yeah. All right. I want to make sure every last fillet is nice and coated. So just drowning in that wash. Yes, sir. All right. So this next step, I grabbed me 2 bags just so I don't make a total mess. But this is the only way that I love to coat my chicken. It's the only way I've ever done it since I was younger when I first learned how to cook. So I'm just gonna pour some of this flour in here, and that's all you need. I am definitely going to season this flour. Again, this is all about preference. I season my flour. I don't know about y'all. Yeah, no. You know, so I just did the Cajun seasoning, some Total Complete seasoning by Goya, and a little black pepper. And I'm gonna shake this up real quick. Chicken, anytime I'm frying chicken, whether it's breast, wings, whatever, mustard. Alright, so the chicken breast all done, y'all. You see the bread, it has to be Martin's potato bread, won't eat no other bread. I know I've said that before. And I have onion, lettuce, mayo, and some sriracha. My son don't like it real spicy, so I'm gonna do a sriracha meal for Tori and I, and then I'm gonna have his with just mayo.